Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to delete a shorts video on your YouTube channel using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and a shorts video that you may have uploaded to your account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you all sign into the account. Now what we need to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Content, and then go to Channel Content. Beneath this, we have the tabs. We need to click on Shorts, and here we have all the videos in the form of shorts that we have uploaded to the channel. We want to then filter visibility. The video can either be public, private, unlisted, members, has schedule, or draft. We want to filter to the private video, apply, and this is the video we wish to delete, as we needn't require the video on the channel. So we want to now delete the video. We can select all, more actions, delete forever, or if we click off this, we can go to the three dots options, delete forever, or we can go into the video, three dots top right corner, and then delete. Let's now click on delete, and then we have the message on screen that says permanently delete this video. I understand that deleting this video is permanent and I will lose all access to audience and video analytics. We can also download the video if we wish to. I just want to delete the video forever, as we will not be making this video public. We already have another video that is very similar to this, and that's done the job. So delete forever. We can now see that that video that was private has now been deleted forever. Let's now X out of private, and we can see that that video no longer exists on the channel. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.